Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're struggling with hair loss, thinning edges, bald spots, or slow hair growth, today's video is specially for you. We're going to make a powerful DIY herbal hair growth oil using 7 of the most potent natural ingredients: garlic oil, clove oil, ginger oil, neem oil, onion oil, castor oil, and a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil. Not only will I show you how to make the oil step by step, but we'll also discuss why each ingredient works, how to use it effectively, and how to turn the oil into a hair butter. Understanding hair loss and thinning edges. Before we begin, it's important to understand why hair thins and why edges are sometimes the hardest areas to regrow. Common causes include tight hairstyles like braids and ponytails, excessive heat, chemical relaxers or dyes, hormonal imbalance, stress, poor diet, fungal or bacterial scalp issues, lack of blood flow to the follicles. The good news is, most of these issues can be improved with the right scalp care, and the oil we're making today tackles all of these root causes. Garlic oil. Let's start with garlic oil. Garlic is extremely rich in sulfur, and sulfur is one of the building blocks of keratin, the protein that your hair is made of. Benefits: boosts blood circulation, strengthens hair follicles, reduces breakage, fights dandruff, fungus, and bacteria, helps unclog blocked follicles. This is why garlic oil is one of the best oils for reviving thinning edges and patchy bald spots. Ingredient 2. Clove oil. Next, we have clove oil, one of the most powerful follicle stimulants. Cloves contain eugenol, a natural compound that increases blood flow to the scalp. Benefits: activates dormant follicles, stimulates new hair growth, thickens hair over time, reduces inflammation, improves scalp health. Clove oil is especially helpful for people with slow-growing or stagnant hair. Ingredient 3. Ginger oil. Ginger oil contains gingerol, which warms the scalp and boosts microcirculation. Benefits: encourages new growth, reduces shedding, strengthens roots, adds shine. If your scalp feels cold or your hair grows slowly, ginger oil is a perfect addition. Ingredient 4. Neem oil. Neem oil is known as the king of scalp health. Benefits: treats dandruff and psoriasis, kills fungal infections, soothes itchy or irritated scalp, helps with dermatitis. If your edges are thinning due to inflammation, dandruff, or scalp infection, neem oil is a must. Ingredient 5. Onion oil. Onion oil is famous for hair regrowth because it contains sulfur and quercetin. Benefits: boosts collagen production, encourages new hair growth, strengthens weak hair shafts, reduces breakage, thickens thinning edges. If you've ever seen before and after onion juice results, onion oil works very similarly but without the messy application. Ingredient 6. Castor oil. Castor oil is a thick, nourishing oil that coats the hair and locks in moisture. Benefits: thickens the hair, strengthens the edges, improves elasticity, reduces breakage. It also slows down moisture loss, making it ideal for edges and weak hairlines. Ingredient 7. Carrier oil. This can be coconut oil, olive oil, almond oil, jojoba oil, or any mild penetrating oil. Carrier oils help dilute the strong herbal oils so they don't irritate the scalp. They also help nutrients penetrate deeper. Measurements and preparation. Here are the exact measurements for today's recipe. Garlic oil, 2 tablespoons. Clove oil, 2 tablespoons. Ginger oil, 2 tablespoons. Onion oil, 3 tablespoons. Neem oil, 1 tablespoon. Castor oil, 1 tablespoon. Coconut or olive oil, 2 tablespoons. These measurements make a medium-strength formula. If you want a stronger oil, increase garlic, clove, and onion oils by 1 tablespoon each. Preparation. Step 1. Sterilize your jar. Always start by washing and drying your container to prevent contamination. Step 2. Combine the oils. Pour all your oils into a bowl and mix thoroughly. Step 3. Optional, heat infusion method. Place bowl over hot water. Stir for 8 minutes. Do not overheat. This helps nutrients fuse together and makes the oil more potent. Step 4. Allow to cool. Step 5. Transfer into your jar. Store in a dark container to protect the oils from sunlight. Step 6. How to turn it into a butter. To make butter. Melt 1/2 cup shea butter or mango butter. Add the oil blend. Whip for 5 to 7 minutes. Refrigerate briefly. Whip again until creamy. This creates a rich, easy to apply hair growth butter. How to use for maximum results. For thinning edges, apply small amount. Massage for 3 to 5 minutes. Repeat 3 to 4 times weekly. For bald patches, use as hot oil treatment. Cover with warm towel. Leave 20 to 30 minutes. For general hair growth, apply on scalp. Apply on ends. Use weekly. For dandruff or itchy scalp, use small amount. Mix with a few drops of tea tree, optional. Expected results. Here is what you can expect with consistency. Week 1 to 2. Less itching, less shedding. Week 3 to 4. Stronger roots, shinier hair. Week 5 to 8. Visible new growth, fuller edges. Remember, natural oils work gradually, but they work beautifully when used consistently. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Let me know in the comments what DIY recipe you want next. I'll see you in the next video.